Hi everyone, this is Vivek from Tech 101. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and use SPSS software for free. So without any delay, let's start our video. Before starting our video, be sure to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to receive the notification of our upcoming videos. So for this, first of all, click on the link given in the description and then you will arrive on this page. In this article, I have headed step-by-step guide to download and use SPSS software. So we are going to follow this guide. Scroll down and download the SPSS software by clicking on this text. Click on download. The file size is about 2.1 GB. So make sure that you have a stable internet connection, otherwise it will take too long time. So now click on download anyway. Now the download is started. Now once the download is completed, go to the downloads folder in your PC and you can see the zip file like this. Now we have to extract this file, so click on open and enter 123 in the place of password and now click on OK. Now click on extract. Okay. It will take few minutes to extract the files, so let's wait. In the meantime, we can check other steps too, so let's see other steps. We have completed step 2. Now open the folder recently extracted and click on the first folder. So now we have to extract this file too, so let me extract. Now click on Windows folder and now click on setup. Now select as and let's install IBM SPSS Statistics 26. Click on the first option click on next. And now click on next. You can select no. You can select no. You can choose the location where IBM Spss statistics software is going to be installed. So let's go with default location. Click on next. Now click on install. Now the installation is completed successfully. Now we must activate this software to use this. So go back and click on this folder called crack. Open this and copy this file named irc. Copy this and go to the location where the software is installed. So for me it's a default location. C program files, IBM SPSS statistics 26 and paste this file here. Now let's open the IBM Spss statistics software. Click on open. As you can see here, the software is opened successfully and now we can use this software. To create a new dataset, click on new dataset. And here you can enter the data according to your need. So guys, how is this video? If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you have any problems while following the steps shown here, please don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you for watching.